Hello and welcome to this episode. And for this episode, we'll try to create a user account and adding them to our um, list. Now we'll try to navigate here and we will go to the features. Now drop that down, go to the policy management, drop that down so we can see actually the forest here, some local. And inside the some local, we'll try to um, go here domains, and inside Assam local it has a domain here. Click that, click drop down that. Right, so this is actually the tree for this. So we move here. All right, so we'll try to add now some user. So click this, click Active Directory Domain Services, drop this down, and search for some local, and click users. Now right click the users folder and click new and new user, and add the user here specifically for their name, for example me, or John Doe, for example. And John Doe, so when I try to log in, this dot will be John Doe at Sam local, at sam.local. Click next, and since we'll try to create some users, we'll try to require them for the next logon. But since this demonstration is just a controlled environment, we'll try to use user, change password, and password never expires. But in real life scenarios, we will try to give them the free will in order for them to add their own password. So click this if that's the case. And since I'm the one who's creating for the account, I am the generating the password for myself. Click next. Ah, they did not match. Right, let's try that again. Right, click next. So the name is Jando. Finish. Right. Then let's create another user. New user. So this will be Juan de la Cruz. Next. Password will be the same. Next. Finish. Now we actually created them, and so we have two users here, Jendo and Juan de la Cruz, and now we will try to introduce them, or we will try to authorize them with the domain. So click features, group policy management, then forest, then domains, then default company policy. Now, under here, on the authenticated users, try to click the add and type their names. So, for example, Juan de la Cruz. All right, so Juan de la Cruz. So it detected, then Jando. So they are both authenticated to actually access this server. Now we'll try to um, change the status of one of the accounts here into we will try to make Juan de la Cruz as what do you call this? We will add this account as an administrator rather. So CMD here. Then we'll type net local, net local group administrators, administrators. Then Juan de la Cruz. Then now the administrate now the Juan de la Cruz account is now a part of local administrators of the server. Now close this, then minimize our server. Now we will try to create or um, activate our client side here. Right? So let's try to sign in here. All right, now let's see if this device is actually obtaining an IP address from our server. So click, oops. So we may choose any of these network. So it says here the network location is now on work and the network name will be sound local. So here is a good indicator that this device is actually using an IP address from this server. So click that. and check here. It is using ASAM local and open and sharing center, the adapter settings. See, the local area connection is under SAM local. Now properties, and let's actually see what would be the IP address that it's using. Now it is automatically using an IP address from our server. Now, curious, let's see what would be the IP address specifically. So CMD type ipconfig dash all, then find the IPv4 address. It is actually using 192.168.10.2. It is used as preferred. Now, this is actually a local device, and we don't actually access the user account that we created here. Now, in order for us to do that, we must click the um, no, we'll try to continue with the next video for this.